Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga with me. I'm Lina and I'm super excited to do this class with you because today we're going to be doing a sequence for a complete beginner. So if you are new to yoga or you're curious about a yoga practice, then it's all in this wonderful practice. You don't need any props, all you need is an open mind, and let's get started. So let's just close our eyes. Just take a deep breath. And as you breathe out, just relax your shoulders. Breathe in. Again, nice deep breath in. Allow this breath to flow all the way down to your belly. And as you breathe out, just feel your body relaxing. Just feeling grounded into the earth. Mind, body is relaxed, ready for your practice. Then gently open your eyes. I'm going to do some gentle shoulder rotations. One way, just really opening up the shoulders. And then the other way. And then we're going to do some shoulder and neck rotations. So we're going to just bring the neck down. Breathing in as you come forward, breathing out as you come back. Let's do a couple here. You can close your eyes, just feeling your neck muscles relaxing, just taking your time, easy. Breathing in as you come forward, breathing out as you come back. And then when you come down, let's take it over to the other direction. Remember, breathing in as you come forward, breathing out as you come back. Just taking your time with it. Just feeling all that tension just floating away. And the next time you're at the bottom and the center, just lifting up. And now we're going to just stretch up, breathing in. And when you're breathing in and stretching up, push your tailbone down. That's going to protect your back and your core. Breathing in, stretching up again. One more time, breathing in and stretch up. And then placing one hand beside you, I'm just going to take a hand and move over to one side. You should feel a lovely stretch on this side. Whatever side you're moving towards, you're feeling a stretch on the opposite direction. Just breathing in and stretching. Again, breathe in and stretch up. One more time, breathe in and stretch up. Then coming to the center, let's do the other side. So taking your hand up, stretching up, breathing in. And as you breathe out, just coming over to the other side. You might be here, that's great. You might even be able to go a bit further. Just feeling a lovely stretch on this side. Breathing in as you're stretching up. Taking 3 deep breaths in, stretching up. Breathe in, stretch up. Breathe in, stretch up. One more time, breathe in and stretch up, and then relax your hands. Now we're going to do a twist. So taking one hand on the opposite knee and the other hand behind you, pushing that hand down into the ground, just lifting your whole body on that one side. And as you breathe in and stretch up, you breathe out, look over the shoulder. Maybe you want to do that one more time. Breathe in. As you breathe out, look over your shoulder. One more time, breathe in and stretch up. And as you breathe out, look over your shoulder. Let's go over to the other side. Taking the opposite hand to the knee, the other hand behind you, pushing down, so stretching up as you breathe in. As you breathe out, you take a twist. Again, breathing in, stretching up. As you breathe out, take a twist. Now you might just stay here. You might want to go a bit further. So breathing in again, stretching up. As you breathe out, twist. Getting a lovely stretch on the opposite direction that you're moving. And then come to the center. Now we're going to come onto all fours, so tabletop. And we're just going to do a cat and cow. So as you breathe in, you're looking up, feeling an arch in your spine. And as you breathe out, you're rounding your spine like a cat waking up from its sleep. Breathing in and looking up. Breathing out, looking down. Breathing in, looking up. Breathing out, looking down. And then coming to the center. Now you're going to take one leg back and you're just going to stretch the toes. So moving back and forward, even feeling a stretch on your hamstring. Our toes sometimes get neglected, so we're just pushing on them and pulling, so we're just stretching them. You should feel a lovely stretch on the back of your legs and your toes. Now we're going to do the other leg. Take the other foot back and forward, back and forward, back and forward. Just gently taking your time, feeling the stretch. And then one more time, coming to center. Now we're going to come into downward dog. So it looks like a triangle. So putting one leg back and then the other leg back. And then you're just going to come into triangle. You might want to pedal your feet. We've opened up the toes. Now we're opening up the ankles. And again, the back of the legs. So all our weight goes on our legs. So it's a wonderful way to stretch. And then just pushing down. You might want to move from side to side. Just taking your time. And then you're going to come down onto your knees. And then just coming back on your hips. Just gently. Just taking a moment here. Just feel the effects of your practice. Taking nice deep breaths in and out. Oxygenating your body. Oxygen is free. Our body needs oxygen. So why not breathe in a way that works for our body? So deep breaths in and out. another one. One more time. Coming back onto all fours. Back into downward dog. And then walking your hands back slowly towards your feet. Maybe you want to just hang here and move. You might want to do yes and no with your head. Maybe you just might want to take your hands to your elbows and just feeling the weight of your neck just hanging, relaxing and letting go. It's a wonderful way to get your blood to rush to your brain, just oxygenating your whole body, breathing deeply. And then just letting your hands go, and then you're just going to come up slowly, vertebrae by vertebrae, like a snail. Slowly take your time, breathe. And then just coming to the top of your mat, bringing your hands to your heart, taking a moment to thank your body for coming onto the mat, for practicing yoga today. I hope you enjoyed this practice. If you did, please subscribe and share with anybody that you feel may benefit. I can continue making free yoga videos on YouTube. So again, I hope you enjoyed the practice. Wishing you a wonderful day. And until next time, namaste.